Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly and take out the textbook, pencil and notebook also. Okay? Are you ready, children? Okay, very good students. In last class, we discussed about fractions order. Okay? Ascending order. How to write ascending order? Fractional numbers. How to write in ascending order? Fractional numbers. Which fractional numbers? Which fractions? Yes. Like fractions. Denominators are same numbers are there. Those fractions are called like fractions. Like fractions, how to write ascending order? In yesterday's class, I explained. Okay. Once again, I will revise that topic only. Okay. Once again, I will explain same topic, ascending order in fractional numbers. Exercise 7.5. Write the following fractional numbers in the ascending order. Write the following fractional numbers in the ascending order. Okay. In the ascending order. First one, I hope first one completed. Yes, children? First one completed or not? Yes, completed first one. So, now I will explain second one. What is second one? 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 2 by 7. Next, 6 by 7, 6 by 7, 1 by 7. By 7, 1 by 7. Ascending order. Ready? Ascending order. These fractions are called 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 2 by 7, 6 by 7 and 1 by 7. These fractions are called like fractions because in these fractions denominators are same number are there. Okay, same numbers. Here denominator, here numerator 3, denominator 7. Here numerator 5, denominator 7. 7, 7, 7. In all fractions, denominators are 7 is there. Okay. So, these fractions are called like fractions. In like fractions, like, L-I-K, like not like, yes, like fractions. In like fractions, ascending order, how to write ascending order? In denominator, same numbers are there. So, we have to see numerators. Just we have to see numerators. Numerators 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. Okay, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? Say children, in these numbers, which is the smallest number? Then you can say, which is the smallest fraction also. What is the smallest number? What is the smallest? What is the smallest numerator? And what is the smallest fraction also? So what is the smallest fraction? Okay, very good. 1 is smallest numerator. And 1 by 7 is smallest fraction. Okay. What is the meaning of ascending order? Do you know, children? What From smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest? Say correct only. Yes, we are arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. That order is called ascending order. Okay, from smallest to biggest. From smallest number to biggest number. That order is called ascending order. And increasing order also. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing. Numbers are increasing. Okay, from smallest number to biggest number. That order is called ascending order or increasing order also. Yes, not decreasing, increasing. Okay, from smallest number to biggest number. That order is called increasing order or ascending order. First, which is the smallest numerator in these numerators? One is smallest numerator. So, which is the smallest fraction? 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is smallest fraction. Write 1 by 7 first. Next, completed this one. Next smallest fraction. Very good. 2 by 7. Next smallest number is 2. So, 2 by 7 is smallest fraction. Write 2 by 7. 2 also completed. 2 by 7 also completed. Next we will go to next smallest fraction. What is the smallest numerator? Yes, very good. Pranit ready. 3. So 3 by 7 is next smallest fraction. Right? 3 by 7. Okay. Given fractions. Remaining fractions 3 by 7 is smallest fraction. So next 5 by 7. Okay. Next 5 by 7 is smallest fraction. Last one fraction only, remaining one fraction only is there. So 6 by 7. This order is called ascending order or increasing order. Okay, ascending order or increasing order. Increasing. Write in notebook. I already said, take out the textbook and running notes. Take your CW. Write in CW. You don't have place in textbook. In textbook, not sufficient place is there. So that's why we have you write in notebook. Next, third one. Okay. Next, what is third one? 3 by 8, 7 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8, 1 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8. Write it ascending order. Okay, write it increasing order. Okay, I am writing only answer. Write in ascending order. Yes, 1 is smallest numerator. Very good. 1 by 8 is smallest fraction. Here also denominators all same numbers. Same number 8. 8 is here denominator. So these fractions are called like fractions. So we have to see, we have to observe, we have to take numerators. Okay. In these numerators, which is the smallest numerator? 1 is smallest numerator. So 1 by 8 is smallest fraction in given fractions. 1 by 8. Next fraction is 2 by 8. Okay, 2 by 8. Very good, Ramyasri. 2 by 8. Next fraction is 2 by 8 completed, 1 by 8 completed. Next 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Next 3 by 8 completed. 5 by 8. Yes, very good. 5 by 8. Next fraction is 7 by 8. Okay? Did you understand, children, how to write ascending order in given fractions? Akkanapalli Ritika, did you understand? All problems write in CW. Yes, that is only homework. I think you written already. I hope. Some are children completed. Some are children homework also sent. Sir, more members only not sent to me. That's why once again I am explaining. Okay? Today you complete and send me in your notebook. exercise 7.5, first bit in your textbook, page number 69, exercise 7.5, first bit. 3 problems completed. Yesterday 1 problem I explained. Next 2 problems now I explained. Okay. Next 4th one, 5th one, 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, homework children. Okay. You complete in your notebook and send me pics. Okay. Some are children sent already, but most of the children not sent. That's why once again I am explaining. Today you complete and send children. Okay. Now I am going to explain second bit. What is second bit? Write the following fractional numbers. Write the following fractional numbers in the descending order. In the descending order. First one is 4 by 6, 6 by 6, 2 by 6, 5 by 6, 3 by 6. Some are sending messages. Some are. Stop the message. U, I, K, I. What that messages? Okay. Stop the messages. Okay. Write the following fractional numbers in the descending order. In the descending order. Stop the messages. Once again I am saying. Teacher. Sorry. All of you on your videos, children. First, Vaishnavi, Krishna Samira, Charan Tej, Kamampati Umesh, Shrutik. All of you on your videos. Those who are hide your videos, I am giving attendance absent, children. Once again, I am reminding. First on your videos. Vaishnavi. Who is Vaishnavi? Akla Vaishnavi. On your video, girl. Sakshi. Don't send unnecessary messages. When I ask a question, you give answer. Okay? Don't send unnecessary messages, children. Don't disturb to me, and you also don't disturb. Okay, listen carefully first. Write the following fractional numbers in the descending order. Descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? We arrange the numbers from biggest number to smallest number. From bigger number to smaller number. Okay. This order is called descending order. From biggest, from greatest, largest. Okay. From largest or greatest or biggest or bigger numbers. From smallest numbers. Okay. That order is called descending order or decreasing order also. Okay. Decreasing order. Descending order or decreasing order. Decreasing. Okay. From bigger to smaller. From bigger to smaller. Decreasing. Increasing means from smaller to bigger. So that order is called ascending order. This order is descending order is called descending order is meaning of descending order from bigger to smaller, from biggest number to smallest number, and decreasing order also. Okay, first here given fractions 4 by 6, 6 by 6, 7. Look at the board. 6 by 6 and 2 by 6, 5 by 6, 3 by 6. In these fractions also, denominator here same number 6 only have. So we have to observe numerators. Which numerator is smallest numerator in given fractions? Yes, 2 by 6. But descending order means what? Harshita? Descending order means from biggest number to smallest number. So we have to write first bigger number or smaller number. Biggest number or smallest number? Yes, very good. Biggest number. So in these given fractions, first 6 by 6 is biggest fraction. Okay, first we have to write biggest fraction, from biggest fraction to smallest fraction. In these fractions, 6 by 6 is biggest fraction. So first write biggest fraction. Descending order. 6 by 6. Next biggest number? Yes, very good. 5. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. 6 by 6 completed and 5 by 6 completed. Remaining given fractions, which is the biggest fraction? 4 by 6. Very good. Very good, students. 4 by 6. Next, remaining two fractions are there here. Which is the biggest fraction? Here 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Parne Praneet, 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Which is the biggest fraction? Which is the biggest numerator? Praneet. Yes, very good. 3. Okay, so 3 by 6 is next we write fraction. 3 by 6. Next one is 2 by 6. Okay? Okay, students? Did you understand how to write descending order from biggest number to smallest number, biggest fraction to smallest fraction? Okay? Did you understand? Very good, Ishwar. Next. One more problem. 5 by 11, 7 by 11, 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11, 3 by 11. What are you doing? Maki check. 10 by 11, 8 by 11. 8 by 11. Take out the notebook. Where's your notebook? Running notes. CW. For your phone also not available. How can you write? Write down. Okay. First, in these fractions also like fractions. Here denominators are same numbers are there. So we have to observe numerators. Which is the biggest numerator? Which is the biggest numerator in these given fractions? Yes, very good. 10. 10 is biggest numerator. So 10 by 11. 10 by 11 is yes. 10 by 11 is biggest fraction. Next fraction? Yes, 8 by 11. 8 by 11 is next biggest fraction. Next fraction. Yes, very good. Ramya says 7 by 11. 7 by 11. Next fraction is 5 by 11. Good. Yeah, while you are reading papers, don't take 5 by 11. Next fraction is 3 by 11. Okay. This order is called descending order or decreasing order also. Descending order and decreasing order. Okay, this second bit also you can complete in your C notes, CW. Okay, this is descending order, this is ascending order. In your textbook exercise 7.5, first bit is you write in ascending order. Second bit problems are writing descending order. Descending order means from biggest number to smallest number. Okay, that is descending order or decreasing order also. Did you understand, children, how to write ascending order and how to write descending order in fractional numbers? Ramya Sri, did you understand? Say yes or no. Mote Ramya Sri, are you listening? Samboj Varshit, okay, understand. Yashasri, did you understand, Amma? Okay. Sadia, okay. Next, Rumeza, did you understand? Yes, yes, boy. What is homework? I am giving homework. What I am giving homework? Just you complete exercise 7.5 first bit, 7.5 second bit, write in CW. Okay. If you completed, already some children are yesterday sent me. Okay. Those who are completed this homework, once you practice from exercise 1, 7.1. Okay. Those who are completed today's homework also, those members, you practice from exercise 7.1 to exercise 7.5. Okay. Okay, teacher. Okay, right, children. Next, third bit also I will explain now. Very easy, third bit also. Only you have to write symbols greater than or less than or equal to. Already in whole numbers, how can we write symbols? How to use symbols? Greater than symbol and less than symbol, equal to symbol. How can you use? You know already. Okay, once again I will explain, children. Third bit. Put one of the symbols greater than, equal and less than. As the case in the boxes given below. Put on of the symbols. Which symbols we have to use here? Greater than, less than or equal to. These symbols used in given boxes. Okay, first one. 5 by 9, 7 by 9. This bit, only this third bit, you can complete in your textbook only, children. Why? Because they place sufficient only have. Okay, given boxes here. Some boxes, empty boxes are given for each problem. So you can complete in your textbook only third bit. Exercise 7.5 third bit you can complete in your textbook. Just you have to write only symbols greater than or less than or equal. Okay. How to write? Now I am explaining. Listen. Here 5 by 9, 7 by 9. Here these fractions are like fractions. Here denominators are same are there. Just you have to see only numerators. In numerators 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7 you compare the numbers first. Compare the 5 and 7. In 5 and 7, 5 is smallest number or biggest number, or smaller than 7 or bigger than 7 or equal to 7. Smaller than 7. Here 5 is smallest number, 7 is biggest number. So we have to put symbol greater than or less than or equal. Less than. Very good. We have to put less than symbol. 5 by 9 less than 7 by 9. Okay? 5 by 9 less than 7 by 9. Here these fractions are like fractions. Denominators are same are there. So we have to see, we have to compare only numerators. Just you compare numerators. Here 5 and 7. In 5 and 7, 5 is smallest number. 5 is smaller than to 7. So right, less than symbol. Ritika, stop the message, Amma. Don't message girl. Next, 3 by 4, 2 by 4. 3 by 4, second one. 2 by 4. Makichan, what are you doing now? Huh? 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. We have to put which symbol, children? First, these fractions are like fractions. So, you observe only numerators. You compare numerators. 3 less than 2 or greater than 2 or equal to. Greater than 2. Okay? 3 greater than 2. 3 by 4 greater than 2 by 4. Because 3 is biggest number, bigger than 2. That's why we have to put greatest symbol, greater than symbol. This symbol is greater than. Here, the symbol is greater than. The symbol is equal to. The symbol is less than. In given two numbers, first number, smallest number is there. We have to put less than. Okay. In given two numbers, first number, biggest number is there. We have to put greater than symbol. For example, both numbers are equal given. We have to put equal symbol. Okay. In box only. No need to write in notebook. Just you write in box. In your textbook. Only third bit only you complete in your textbook, children. Next remaining first bit and second bit, ascending order and descending order, you complete in your notebook. Okay? Did you understand, children? Not listening. Who is that girl? What's her name? Deepthi. In your mobile, keep it unmute, Amma. 362560. Who is that girl? In your mobile, keep it unmute. 3625607028. Yes. Say girl, what is your problem? Why are you not listening?
Madam, monthly interview.
What is your name?
Madhupriya.
Madhupriya. Why are you not Madhupriya? You are good girl. Why are you not listening? Listen carefully, girl. How can you understand if you not listen? Listen carefully. Okay? In today's class, I explained ascending order and descending order, and how to put symbols. Okay, these topics I explain now. I hope you understand these topics. In tomorrow class, I will explain fractions addition. Okay, addition of fractions. Okay, children. Thank you, children.